Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used the Get Your Guide app to book tours, activities, or travel experiences, you know how important it is to have your personal details accurate. In this video, I'll show you how to change your full name in the Get Your Guide app. First, open the Get Your Guide app on your smartphone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, from the list of options, tap on the one that simply says Profile. Here, you'll see your personal information, such as your full name and email address. Now, tap on your name to edit it. A text box will appear, allowing you to enter a new full name. Carefully type in the new name that you want to appear on your account. Finally, once you've entered your new full name, tap on the Save button. The app will automatically update your information. That's it.